Welcome back. This is our second video about using Feature Paint, and in this video we're going to copy features from one document to another. Let's go to Tools and select Feature Paint. Under Copy Properties From, I'm going to select my M5 hole. Now let's go visit my other part. Select Window and scroll down to Part 2. Here's the part I want to copy properties to. I'm going to select all three holes and Fillet 1, as well as Fillet 2. By selecting the individual features in the selection window, we can see their specific properties. We can see what will be copied. Let's click Apply and Close. This concludes our video about using Feature Paint to copy feature properties from one document to another. Next, we'll learn about the Power Select tool.